Improve your English with the English Conversation Club. We will listen to 2 conversations today. Listen and repeat with the speakers in the conversation. We will review the important vocabulary at the end of each conversation. Conversation 1. Planning a vacation.
I'm excited to finally be planning our dream trip to Europe.
Absolutely. So, let's get started. First, we need to decide where we want to go in Europe. Any ideas?
Well, I've always been fascinated by the rich history and stunning architecture of Italy. How about we start our trip in Rome?
That sounds like a great choice. Rome is known for its iconic landmarks like the Colosseum and the Vatican City. When would be the best time to visit?
I've heard that spring and autumn are the best seasons to explore Rome, as the weather is mild and the tourist crowds are smaller.
Excellent point. Let's keep that in mind. Now, moving on to accommodations. Do you have any preferences for the type of hotels we should stay at?
Personally, I enjoy boutique hotels that provide a cozy and intimate atmosphere. How about you?
I agree. Boutique hotels offer a unique experience. Let's search for some highly rated boutique hotels in Rome and make a list of options to choose from. Alright, I've found a few options for us. The first one is the La Dolce Vita Hotel, located in the heart of Rome. It has excellent reviews and offers a complimentary breakfast.
That sounds wonderful. What about the second option?
The second option is the Roman Retreat. It's known for its charming interior design and friendly staff. It's a bit pricier, but it seems worth it.
I think both options are great. Let's consider the budget and availability before making the final decision.
Good idea. We'll keep researching and compare prices and availability to make the best choice. Let's think about what sites we want to see in Rome. Of course, the Colosseum and the Vatican City are must-sees. What else would you suggest?
I've heard that the Trevi Fountain is a breathtaking sight, especially when it's illuminated at night. Also, the Pantheon is a remarkable ancient temple that shouldn't be missed.
Those are excellent recommendations. We should also explore the charming neighborhoods of Trastevere and Monte, known for their picturesque streets and local vibe.
Absolutely. And don't forget about trying authentic Italian cuisine and gelato.
I won't forget that. Italian food is one of the highlights of any trip to Italy.
I'm hungry. We should order a pizza right now.
Let's review the key vocabulary with the meanings of the words and some example sentences. Architecture. The design and construction of buildings and structures. The Guggenheim Museum in Bilbao is famous for its beautiful architecture. Landmark. A well-known feature of a place that is easily recognizable and often holds cultural or historical significance. The Eiffel Tower in Paris is an iconic landmark and a symbol of the city. Accommodation. A place where visitors can stay overnight, such as a hotel, guest house, or rental property. We booked a cozy beachfront accommodation for our vacation in Bali. Cozy. Giving a feeling of comfort, warmth, and relaxation. I love snuggling up with a soft blanket and a hot cup of tea in my cozy living room. Complimentary. Free. No charge. The hotel has a complimentary breakfast buffet every morning from 6 to 8 a.m. Boutique. A small, stylish, and often specialized shop that offers unique or high-quality items, such as clothing, accessories, or crafts. I love shopping at boutique stores because they offer unique and stylish clothing options. Interior. The inside or inner part of something, particularly referring to the design, decoration, and arrangement of a space or room. The interior of the restaurant was elegantly decorated with modern furniture and soft lighting. Breathtaking. Something that is extremely beautiful, stunning, or awe-inspiring, often leaving a person momentarily speechless or breathless. Standing at the edge of the Grand Canyon, we were captivated by the breathtaking views stretching before us. Picturesque. Something that is visually charming or attractive, typically used to describe a scene or place that appears like a picture or postcard. The small village nestled in the mountains was absolutely picturesque, with its colorful houses and pristine lake. Authentic. Genuine, real, or true to its origins, typically used to describe something that accurately represents the culture, tradition, or characteristics of a particular place or time. We dined at a family-owned Italian restaurant, where we enjoyed the most authentic pasta carbonara we've ever tasted.
Conversation 2, talking about our daily routines.
Hey, Alex. How's it going?
Hey Emma. Yeah, everything is good. Classes were okay, but I'm glad the day is almost over. How about you?
I feel the same way. I had a bunch of assignments to turn in today, so it was a bit hectic. You look tired. What time did you wake up this morning?
I went to bed really late because I was playing Fortnite with friends. I woke up at around 8 a.m. I had to rush a bit because I overslept.
I always get up early. I like to enjoy a leisurely breakfast while I check my phone.
That sounds nice. I usually have a quick breakfast. Today I had a bowl of cereal and a glass of orange juice to kickstart my day.
I had a yogurt parfait and a cup of tea. After that, I got all my books and supplies in my backpack before heading out the door.
Yeah, I always double-check my backpack. It's the worst feeling when you forget something important. How were your classes today?
Today I had English, math, science, and history. I think English was the most interesting for me today. We started reading a new novel.
I had the same subjects today. Math was a bit tough though. I struggled a bit with the new concepts. I'm hoping to get some help from the teacher tomorrow.
Don't worry, Alex. I'm sure you'll figure it out. Anyhow, after my morning classes, I had lunch with friends. We chatted about our plans for the weekend.
Yeah, the afternoon break is always a nice time to relax and hang out with friends. What did you have for lunch today?
I had a turkey sandwich, some carrot sticks, and an apple.
I went to McDonald's with some friends for lunch. It's always nice to hang out and recharge before the afternoon classes.
Absolutely. So, after school, I have choir practice. We're preparing for an upcoming performance. What about you? Do you have any activities after school today?
Yeah, I have football practice right after school. We're working on our passing drills and practicing some new plays. I'm excited for our next match.
Good luck with the match. Anyhow, after choir practice, I am heading straight home. I have some homework to finish and then I can finally relax.
Same here. Once I'm done with soccer practice, I'll go home and tackle my homework. It's not the most exciting part of the day, but it has to be done. After that, I am going to play some video games with friends online.
That sounds fun, but make sure to get enough sleep. I will probably read a book or catch up on some TV shows after I finish my homework. It's nice to have some downtime before starting it all over again tomorrow.
Definitely. Well, I guess we should get going and finish up our day. See you tomorrow.
Have a great evening.
Let's review the key vocabulary. Assignment. A task or piece of work given to someone to complete, usually for school or work. I have a history assignment due tomorrow that requires researching and writing a 5-page essay. Kickstart. To start or begin something with energy, enthusiasm, or momentum. I like to kickstart my day with a cup of coffee to help me wake up and feel energized. Double check. To carefully examine, inspect, or verify something again to make sure that it is okay. Before submitting the report, I always double check my calculations and proofread for any errors. Struggle. To face difficulty or challenges in doing something or dealing with a situation. Sarah is struggling with her math homework because the concepts are new and challenging for her. Recharge. To replenish or regain energy, strength, or enthusiasm. After a busy week at work, I like to take a relaxing vacation to unwind and recharge. Downtime. Free time. Time when one can relax, rest, or do leisure activities without any obligations, work, or tasks. During the weekend, I enjoy spending my downtime reading a book and spending time with my family. Thanks for watching and good luck with your studies.